How to enhance blue eyes using Makeup Revolution. First, prime the eyelids with Revolution Pro Eye Elements in Central. Then mix Prime and Capital from Revolution Forever Flawless Optimum Palette and apply on the crease. Line around the eyes with this beautiful electric blue eyeliner. Smudge the blue liner with shade Fighter. And blend upwards towards the crease. Then apply shade Maximum, a deep dark blue, on the lash line for smoky eyes effect. Add conceal and define concealer on the center of the lids. Then blend and soften the edges. Dab shade Greatest, a shimmery blue on the center with fingers for maximum intensity. Use the same concealer on the center of the lower lash line, then add shade Outstanding for a fresher and brighter look. Then add shade Peak to highlight the inner corners and the brow bones. Finish off these smoky eyes with the waterproof mascara Revolution to bring out your blue eyes even more. For the lip color, I want to go for something natural, so I use Revolution Misbehaving Matte Lips. Here is how to enhance your blue eyes.